Let's dive deeper into how Islam guides us to protect ourselves from the evil eye, al-ain, a subtle but potent spiritual harm often linked to envy or admiration. The Prophet ﷺ emphasized its reality and offered multiple layers of protection rooted in Qur'anic verses, prophetic supplications, and spiritual practices. Understanding the evil eye in Islam. Definition: the evil eye is a harmful gaze, conscious or unconscious, often triggered by envy or admiration. It can affect health, wealth, relationships, or spiritual well-being. Spiritual mechanism. Scholars liken it to an arrow from the heart of the envier. If the target is spiritually unprotected, it may strike and cause harm. If protected, it may miss entirely. Divine control. Nothing happens without Allah's will. The evil eye is real, but its effect is subject to divine decree. Multi-layered protection strategy. 1. Daily Quranic recitations and 1 Surah Al-Falaq, 109 and Surah An-Nas, 114. Seek refuge from envy and evil, recite morning, evening before sleep. 2 Ayat Al-Kursi, Dub 255. Shield from all harm, recite after every obligatory prayer. 3. Last 2 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, 285, 286. Gives night protection, recite before sleep. 4. Surah Al-Fatiha gives healing and protection during ruqyah or general recitation. 2. Prophetic du'as. A'udhu bi kalimatillahi at-tammati min sharri ma khalaq. I seek refuge in the perfect words of Allah from the evil of what He has created. Bismillahi alladhi la yadurru ma'asmihi shay'un fil ardi wa la fis sama'i wa huwa as-sami'ul alim. In the name of Allah, with whose name nothing in the earth or heavens can harm, and He is the all-hearing, all-knowing. Recite 3 times morning and evening. A'udhu bi kalimatillahi at-tammati min kulli shaytanin wa hammatin wa min kulli aynin lamma. I seek refuge in the perfect words of Allah from every devil and poisonous creature and from every harmful eye. Ruqyah, spiritual healing. Ruqyah is a sunnah-based method of healing using Quranic verses and supplications. How to perform. Ruqyah. 1. Place your hand on yourself or the affected person. 2. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha, Ayat Al-Kursi, Surah Al-Falaq, and Surah An-Nas, last 2 verses of Surah Al-Qalam, 68, 51 to 52. 3. Blow gently over the person or affected area. The wash ritual, if source is known. If someone is suspected of causing the evil eye, they should wash their face, hands, elbows, knees, and feet. The water is collected and poured over the affected person from behind. This is a prophetic remedy and has been practiced by the Sahaba. Preventing unintentional harm. Even admiration can unintentionally cause harm. To prevent this, say, Allahumma barik, O Allah, bless it, him, her. Avoid flaunting blessings without acknowledging Allah's favor. Emotional and social awareness, practice tawakkul, trust in Allah, and dhikr, remembrance. Be mindful of envy, both giving and receiving. Limit exposure of personal blessings on social media unless framed with gratitude and humility.